BDP International has a long history as a privately held logistics firm. Some of the services we offer: freight forwarding, track and trace on the logistics side, which allows us to keep track of containers on ships, on airplanes, on trains as they go around the globe. But we also offer just-in-time logistics if one of our bigger customers needs to get a chemical to a particular processing plant within a certain period of hours, days. BDP logistically makes sure that happens. One of my goals is to ensure that our end users and customers have a very fast, responsive experience within the BDP application suite. The challenge hit us real hard probably 2 years ago when we're running in Citrix and we deployed to Google Apps. We saw how Chrome performed very poorly in those environments. We were excited BDP was finally in a position where now we were on a globalized email and collaboration platform, but we were unable to deliver it in a responsive manner to our users globally. That was a real wake-up call to say, if we're going to truly run this as an enterprise, we need to come up with a better solution than Citrix. One of the things that you have to deal with in my role is not just solving the technical issues, but also the public perception issues. Our play was to license VMware Horizon to take advantage of desktop as a service through the cloud and on-prem as well. We're looking more forward to using app volumes in the cloud. The ability to use an app volume is that much lighter, allowing us to roll out more virtual desktops with less storage requirements and the ability to have sort of a more tightly baked golden image than what we do today. Our experience with app volume has been very solid. In fact, I didn't quite believe the demo when I saw it, but we've been able to deploy a number of apps in like minutes with this thing, so it's been phenomenal. Our play with VMware Horizon Air, this one I'm most excited about. The idea that we can use desktop as a service in the cloud. So that for IT directors is a dream world. What it does is it puts us in a position where we don't have to go to our boss and say we need to keep adding infrastructure to the data center. We can essentially scale up and scale down those desktops on an as-needed basis. We see a very interesting play there to use VMware's public cloud over in Europe and in the US to target a number of our European users locally. So the idea is we'll put their desktops closer to them in VMware's public cloud and allow them to jump in and execute their day-to-day business, take advantage of all the regional internet response time capabilities rather than haul those traffic sessions back to the US. So we expect an uptick in performance there. Our operational users become more productive and they can do more for our customers. VMware was a neat opportunity to not only try out a technology that I had a lot of confidence in, but also a name change to show that we were progressing and moving away from what was then Citrix.